Hey guys, it's Doofus Mayhem, and today we're playing RDROFFES. Now guys, this is an older video, but still enjoy. See ya. Hey guys, it's RDROFFES, and today, well, it's January, so guess what? It's snowing in RDROFFES and G2FES. We're gonna check it out. Oh, I like this building though. Oh, I can't go. How the fuck do I get out of here? It's a nice place, but I don't know how to get out. Shit. Why did it spawn me in here? See, this is why I don't like Red Dead Online. It does weird shit. RDROFFES Online. How dare me say that? Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, can I camp in here? What happens if I camp in here? Oh shit. Oh, I can't. Oh, wait. Oh. I don't know. I don't get RDROFFES Online, guys. I don't get it. That's how. Finally! Oh, it's snowing in RDROFFES. Oh, horsey. I don't really like this horse. Look how skinny he is. Oh, I don't feed him. I don't feed my horse. He's gonna die. Oh, that's sad. Oh, it looks actually pretty nice. Wow. It's pretty cool. Oh, guys, there's snow everywhere. I don't know why it only snows in December and January. That's kind of BS. But whatever. Oh. What should I do? I don't have many weapons. It's online. I kind of want to blow up the stagecoach thing. Yeah, I think I got some TNT. Let's blow that motherfucker up. Alright. Horsey, that's the stagecoach. There you go. Okay. Alright. Wait, actually, can I drive it? That'd be so cool if I could drive this. No? Maybe? How the fuck would you drive it? Okay. I'm TNT in this bitch thing. Can't believe I can't drive it. Bullshit. That's bullshit, guys. That's fucking bullshit. Oh, shit. Oh, motherfuckers in the area. Gotta kill all the motherfuckers. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's what you get when you fuck with me, guy. You get fucked. You get fucking fucked. Oh, shit. Hey, get out of here, man. Get out of here. Well, alrighty, guys. That's RDROFFES in the snow in January. Alright. I hope you guys have a good day. Oh, wait. Before I let you guys go. Haha. I love that you can shoot heads off in this game. That's my favorite part. Oh, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get away. Oh, shit. Oh, I went through the door. Uh-oh. The piggies are after me. The piggies in cowboy hats are after me. Whatever shall I do? Oh, I think I'm gonna get away. I'm gonna get away. Damn it. Fuck. I thought I was gonna get away. I'll take them. I can take these bitches. Yeah. Oh shit. I gotta get out of here. Go. Run, mister, run. Oh. I think I got away. Oh, I've actually never been over here. Or it just looks different in the snow. What town is this? I don't know. Damn it. These piggies are good. These piggies are fucking good, guys. They're like better in online or something. Ah! Alright, guys. Have a good day. Adios, home doggos. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I'm getting beat up by a pussycat. A fucking pussycat. Oh, come on, fucko. Let me go. Let me go, damn it. I can't believe this. I can't even see my own character. Damn it. Haha. Run away, pussy lion. Run away. Oh, shit. No! Stop it. You're scratching me up. Ow! I'm gonna have you sent to the pound and be put down, you bastard cat. Oh, you bastard. God, what an asshole. I can't believe this shit. Just let me get up. Walk away. I'll let you walk away now, kitty cat. That's it. That's what you get. That's what you get. You're an asshole. That's what people get when they're assholes. Yeah.